Unless
But you weren't supposed to cut that. Yeah, because that was... There we go. It only takes 2 pull locks to unbox.
210 is when they were manufactured.
Sorry, that's upside down. Are they all oily and greasy? They don't look greasy. What is all over them?
I think it's just like...
It looks crusty.
It comes off. They look
Maybe it's just from the box.
They look a lot better. And see, look. These are anti-pump uplifters. Again, I'm putting my motor together, and I don't want no shitty lifters. I'm telling you, I think they're a lot better.
I don't know. I cannot open that box one-handed, though. I tried. It's not happening.
Alright. Say that when I look at that one.
Doesn't want to focus.
It's the cut on the lifters and then the crown that's affecting them now. And I spoke to Johnson myself. That's got a chamfer on it.
I'm just wondering what the circle is around the edge. Like, what's that line that goes around? Is that normal?
It's the way it was cut.
Does that mean it's wrong, or is that just part of how it is? For all the people like me that don't know much about lifters.
I'm telling you. They could have... See, and look. The last video I just did, I can compress.
Yeah, them Elgins would not compress, but that one...
It was like somebody already pumped them up. And I'll show you the other lifters that I got. We'll pause it here once I open all these up, and I'll go get them, and we'll do a comparison. They were pre-2020. So... And they, see, that's division of top line.
Well, that line straight across it. Guess we'll be back with the video after they go get tested, huh?
think these are better than the other ones I just got. Not these.
No, guess we'll find out.
Is that the last box?
Yep, last box over here. Flip that like a pro.
And well, I'll just go get my digital calipers. It's not the right way to check the crown because this isn't machined. I have to go get the dial indicator. That's going to be the correct way. You put it in a bridge and then you can measure it. Shit. I got myself all messed up where the other ones were. That's probably the best one.
Definitely looks.
Alright, pause it. Let me go get the other.
Alright. And we're back. Well, this is not the brand new one that just came in the unboxing.
Now, these are from Howard's.
Well, we don't need to get all of them out.
No, but I'm gonna at least get a couple of them out. Okay. This
New
is
one, old one.
You see the difference? Can you see it?
And I went all around to both of them.
Which one looks better?
Well, I don't know what they're supposed to look like, so I don't know which one looks better. But I know this one over here looks like it has more, what I say, scratches on the top. But I don't know about lifters, so I don't know what it's supposed to be.
This, to me, is better.
Yeah, that one looks shinier and cleaner. Yeah, this one looks like it has a bunch of like scratches and gouges and different high-low spots, and this one looks more uniform, like it's not all over the place.
You definitely see the difference.
For sure. What do y'all think? Leave it in the comments. What do you think looks better? The new one or the old one?
Alright, let's pause it and let's go get the digital calipers out. Okay, so this is the Howard's. I added this snap ring to it. Gotta find the... Trying to get right up on the crown. So I'm good with that. No, it's me. That's me there. So, in my opinion, these ones are better. But these are from the same manufacturer. This is Doran code. This is pre-code. Hilyft Johnson made it right for me. I'm gonna double check them, but they were great to deal with. I had some questions and concerns about them. Howard's not so much. They didn't really care. They're like, oh, I don't know what to tell you. But if you compare apples to apples, again, the only difference is I added this. It's the same body. Same oiling hole.
There you go. Like, share, and subscribe for more information, learning, and stuff.